Have you ever held on to something so heavy that it just drained all the joy from your life? It's like carrying a weight that you can't put down. Jesus understood this feeling, and that's why he said something truly radical. When Peter asked him how many times he should forgive someone who wronged him, maybe 7 times, Jesus replied, "I tell you, not 7 times, but 70 times 7. Now, this wasn't about being weak or letting people walk all over you. It was about something much deeper: your freedom. See, forgiveness isn't really a gift you give to the person who hurt you. It's a gift you give to yourself. It's the key that unlocks the chains holding you back so you can finally rise again. We all live in a world full of broken promises, silent betrayals, and people who say they're sorry but never seem to change. Some of that pain can stick with us for years, can't it? Those old wounds can serve as a daily reminder that trusting someone again just feels too dangerous. But Jesus knew the true weight of human hurt. His response to Peter wasn't a mathematical formula. In Jewish culture, the number 7 symbolized completeness. So when Jesus said 70 times 7, he wasn't setting a limit of 490 times. He was teaching us a new way to live. He was showing us that forgiveness is a lifestyle, a continuous choice, and it's the only real doorway to lasting peace. Forgiving someone doesn't mean you're saying, "Hey, what you did to me was okay." Not at all. What you're actually saying is, what you did to me will no longer have power over my life. It will not control my future. The Bible reminds us in Psalm 55, "Cast your burdens on the Lord, and he will sustain you." And in Psalm 147, it says, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." This is your promise. In today's world, it's so easy to confuse forgiveness with weakness. People will tell you to just cut them off, block them, and forget they ever existed. But simply removing someone from your life doesn't always heal the wound inside your heart. The bitterness can remain. So today, I want you to ask yourself a serious question. What pain is God asking you to release? What heavy burden is he inviting you to lay at his feet? And what incredible freedom is waiting for you on the other side of that decision? Remember, your breakthrough doesn't start when they finally change. It starts the moment you decide to heal. Choose forgiveness. Choose freedom. Choose to let God step in and do what only he can. Thanks for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more.